This thing is the Mercedes of anything on snow with tracks, my friends. Hey guys, I authorize you to give my dear delinquent child a permit for my truck. That Grizzly. Thanks, girls. I tried phoning him, but nobody's answering the phone.
Yeah, you're the delinquent guy at break.
Yeah. Cool. I guess we're coming to get this telehandler. That's a cute little, what is that Spirit back there? That little smaller than the 100?
The Sprite?
Sprite.
Yeah, that.
I want to take it home.
Yeah, it's missing a head right now, but yeah, you can take care of that.
Not a problem. Well, I have I have an LMC?
Yeah, there's two LMCs around, yeah.
Ultra wide track or something. It's got a Detroit, turbocharged Detroit in it. 4-stroke.
Yeah.
It won't start.
Yeah.
I love it. It just was wild.
Yeah.
Anyways, let's go over there and help Dave chain this up. Hey guys, guess what? Every once in a while in your life you get to drive something fairly interesting. Now, I haven't driven any of this new stuff. I had old antiquated stuff. But Dave here, thanks to him,
Hi.
I get to try this brand new PistenBully out and take it for a rip. So you know what, guys? I tell you what, it's once in a lifetime thing if I can figure out how to run this thing. Turn the throttle up. Get into the green. Get into the green. Hit a button.
Yeah, you're good. Track speed on, you're good to go.
It's a little bit, it's interesting, I like it.
Smooth, right?
I tell you what, this thing is the Mercedes of anything on snow with tracks, my friends. You got joystick controls here. Give her the what for a little bit. Forward, backwards. The nice thing about this machine is this option here. You'll auto rotate on a dime, and then away you go. Hey.
It's like a carnival ride in here.
You tell you what. The only things that these machines don't really like is trees.
At least we don't have very many of those around.
Yeah, exactly. I tell you what, this thing's just a joy to drive. It is quiet in here. This thing is like, I tell you what, it's quiet, peaceful. The only loud thing in here is me. What do you think of this machine, Dave? You like this pretty much?
Bro, the PistenBully 100 is the smoothest. I mean, the 600 is pretty awesome too. PistenBully just makes a great snowcat. And driving a snowcat is therapeutic. You get to watch snow make a wave over your blade. You're inside like a nice heated cab, really comfortable, and you just have no stopping you. It'll go anywhere you want it to go.
Tell you what, I'm speechless of words at how nice this thing is. It drives, it handles. The joysticks are something that I'm not really used to, but mind you, I haven't driven one of these things in a long time. I got my old Jewel had a yoke here, and
You're just not allowed to hit it.
It is sensitive, eh?
It is.
It is quite sensitive on the potentiometer. There's a little wheel here. You spin back and forth. It speeds it up. Right here, speeds her up, slows her down. Are we going anywhere particular, Dave, or are we just...
No. I gotta eventually go back over there and finish loading stuff up.
Where's that, back here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Take for a rip across the field.
See, I keep trying to take and pull both levers at once. Okay, guys, take a look at the scenery here. You know what? We're in one of the most beautiful places on earth over here, down here. Whereabouts are we, Dave?
We are at Beaver Creek, Utah, which is in between Logan and Bear Lake.
Now we're over.
Utah.
We're over. There's a really nice body of water right next door to here, like the Caribbean.
The Caribbean of the Rockies.
I tell you what,
This is Bear Lake. It's beautiful, crystal clear water.
It's
a little chilly, but
I tell you what, you guys would go swimming at this time. I wouldn't. You guys in your hot tub, cold tub, hot tub, cold
did
tub.
you ever get in the hot tub?
No.
Oh, we better turn right back around. Get in right now.
Good. But anyways, it's been an absolutely wonderful event. And again, I thank you again for having me. Thank you, Dave.
I'm so pumped that you came here.
You know what?
If you want to have a good time, you make sure your friend Avery comes.
Yes.
The man is a legend. He's fun. He's helpful. He knows his stuff about every single machine that's here.
Yeah, I don't know about that.
And he's helpful, man. And you know what? It's a good time. And who doesn't like to have a good time? Nobody. Everyone's having a good time, right?
Yes.
That's the man that has a
I
good
tell
time.
you what, and that goes the same for Dave. You want to go hang out, have some fun, come and see him, my friends. Okay, guys, till next time, the next adventure, I tell you what.
Boom.